I want to talk about something that's been on my mind for a while now. As someone who's been on this platform for years with other accounts, I've seen countless YouTubers promise their viewers that they can make thousands of dollars per day with just a few hours of work. But the truth is, most of these claims are far from realistic. Let's start with the basics. It's important to remember that making money on YouTube is not easy. You can't just upload a few videos and expect to start raking in the cash. It takes time and effort to build an audience, create quality content, and establish yourself as a brand. Another thing to consider is that most of the YouTubers who claim to be making thousands of dollars per day are not being honest with their viewers. They often use clickbait titles and thumbnails to get people to watch their videos, and then proceed to talk about how they've made all this money without really explaining how they did it. The truth is, making money on YouTube requires a lot of hard work and dedication. You need to create quality content that people want to watch and then promote that content to the right audience. You also need to consider things like monetization, brand deals, and sponsorships, which can take time to establish. Keep in mind that making money on YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Even the most successful YouTubers didn't become millionaires overnight. It takes time and effort to build a sustainable income on this platform. Finally, it's important to be honest with your audience about how you're making money on YouTube. If you're using affiliate links or sponsored content, you should always disclose that to your viewers. Transparency is key when it comes to building trust with your audience. Remember, making money on YouTube is not easy, but it is possible with hard work and dedication. Don't believe the hype about getting rich quick. Focus on creating quality content and building a loyal audience instead. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, consider subscribing. I have a new video coming out later this week on the best way to start making money online.